YouTube, the world's biggest video site. Where do you go if you want to learn something? Watch the latest vlog of your favorite YouTuber, or maybe just watch some funny cat videos. YouTube, of course. From tutorials to live channels, you can find all kinds of video content here. But how did the site take off? And what does it take for content creators to earn through this platform? Find out all about it in this video. So, without further ado, let's get started. A little history of YouTube. YouTube was founded in 2005 by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, who had previously worked together at PayPal. It was originally conceived as a video sharing website where users could upload and share videos. The idea came when the founders were trying to find a way to share videos with each other over the internet. This was before streaming video was popular, and YouTube was one of the first sites to offer it. YouTube's first video was uploaded on April 23, 2005, and featured co-founder Jawed Karim standing in front of a camera and talking about elephant trunks, which were right behind him. Currently, that video has 243 million views. YouTube's slogan is, "Broadcast yourself." This means anyone can create a channel on YouTube and upload videos for others to see. The site has grown to become one of the largest sites on the web, with more than 2.5 billion monthly users. In 2006, YouTube was acquired by Google for $1.56 billion. After that, the site saw a huge increase in growth, and according to the Daily Telegraph, in 2007, YouTube consumed as much bandwidth as the entire internet in 2000. Soon, the internet became a household thing, and everyone was browsing YouTube for all things videos. People started making their own YouTube channels to upload their content and even earn through them. What is content creation? YouTube content creation is the process of creating and uploading videos to YouTube. It's a great way to get your voice heard by a wide audience and build a community around your ideas and passions, but it's also a lot of work. Many different kinds of videos fall under the umbrella of YouTube content creation. Some people create vlogs, short for video blogs, which usually consist of just one person talking about their life or reviewing products. Others make how-to videos that teach viewers how to do something they may not have known before, like cooking tutorials or makeup tips. Others create reviews, which review products or services, often giving their opinion on whether they think the product is worth buying or using. As the technology progressed, gaming industry took off, and YouTubers made channels reviewing new games and started uploading videos in which they were playing them. Today, media houses, artists, and many others upload content directly on the platform for their viewers to watch. How to make money with YouTube. Many people use their channels as a way to build their brand, while others use them as a way to share information with others or entertain viewers. Videos can be uploaded to YouTube at no cost, and many users choose to do this regularly. However, plenty of people make money off their videos by partnering with Google AdSense or other advertising companies. Making money on YouTube is a great way to supplement your income or even make it your sole source of income. If you're looking to start making money on YouTube, there are a few steps you can take that will help you get started. First, you'll need a channel. If you don't have one yet, now is the time to create one. You can start by setting up a profile page on YouTube and then adding some content to it. You can also set up an AdSense account so that Google automatically places ads on your videos and pays you for views of those videos. This will be important because it allows you to monetize your content right away as soon as you reach a certain threshold of view time on your channel. Next, make sure that you have good quality content that people want to watch. If people aren't watching your videos or commenting on them, then they won't be able to see any ads, and neither will you make money. Make sure that your videos are engaging and interesting so that people will want to share them with their friends and family members who might also like them. Finally, post regularly. Every week at least, once or twice per week, should be enough for most people who are new at this kind of thing. In order to create a steady income from YouTube, you need to cater to your audience's liking and understand the niche. YouTube pays the content creator through several methods, but keeps 45% of the total revenue generated. The creator gets the rest of the 55%. Another way that YouTubers make money is by uploading sponsored videos in which they partner with companies to showcase their product to the viewers. This way, the company gets probable customers, YouTubers get partnership payments, and the cycle continues. Once the audience finds their favorite YouTuber credible enough, they usually take their advice to buy the sponsored product. So you see, it's all about credibility. You need to become a trusted person so that more and more people watch your content and more opportunities open up for you. YouTubers have become multi-millionaires with their content. YouTubers are some of the most well-known people in the world. They have become famous for their content creation on YouTube, many of whom are multi-millionaires. In order to become a successful YouTuber, you need to have a strong following on social media sites like Facebook and Instagram so that people will know who you are when they see your videos. The more followers you have, the more likely it will be that someone will watch one of your videos and become interested in what else you have to offer. There are many different types of YouTubers out there today: comedians, musicians, gamers, fashionistas, and the list goes on. The best part about being an online content creator is that anyone can do it. All it takes is dedication, consistency, and hard work. One such example is PewDiePie, whose gaming channel has over 111 million subscribers, making him one of the most popular YouTubers on the site. He has also made millions through merchandise sales and advertising deals with huge multinational brands. James Charles is another example of a YouTube multimillionaire. He has a makeup channel and almost 24 million subscribers. James has had brand collaborations with some of the biggest cosmetic companies in the world. And the list goes on, like Mr. Beast, Emma Chamberlain, and Lily Singh are all well-known YouTubers. What's next for the world's biggest video streaming website? According to the current stats, the number of YouTube users in the world is projected to reach 2.85 billion by the year 2025. As more and more people shift from mainstream media to social media, YouTube's future seems pretty bright. Many news channels currently have live streaming of their channels on YouTube, and a huge number of people prefer to watch it online rather than on TV. As technology evolves and more innovative methods of video streaming come out, YouTube will keep evolving, providing viewers with a better video streaming experience. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.